Hey, guys, welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of crypto and finance. Today, I have something truly incredible to share with you. I earned $10,000 in just 1 month by investing in decentralized finance, DeFi, projects. And I'm here to tell you how I did it. Before we begin, let's first understand what DeFi is and why it's such a game changer for the financial industry. Decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, is a new type of financial system that operates on the blockchain. It allows for the creation of decentralized, trustless financial services that anyone can access, regardless of their location or financial status. The beauty of DeFi is that it's built on smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements that can be programmed to do almost anything. This means that DeFi applications can automate financial processes like lending, borrowing, and trading, without the need for intermediaries like banks or governments. So, how did I earn $10,000 in 1 month? I invested in a variety of DeFi projects, including decentralized exchanges, DEXs, lending platforms, and yield farming protocols. Each of these projects utilizes different types of smart contracts to create new financial opportunities. For example, I invested in a DEX that allows for the trading of any type of digital asset, including crypto, digital art, and even virtual real estate. I also invested in a lending platform that allows me to earn interest on my crypto by lending it to other users. And I participated in a yield farming protocol that rewards me for providing liquidity to certain markets. Of course, as with any investment, there is always some risk involved. But by diversifying my investments and researching the projects carefully, I was able to minimize my risk and maximize my returns. So, there you have it, my secret to earning $10,000 in 1 month with DeFi. Remember, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research before investing in any project. But I hope this gives you an idea of the incredible potential of DeFi and how you can get started. Be sure to check out our next video where we'll be diving deeper into specific DeFi projects and strategies. Thanks for watching.